Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pondok Abang. I'm going to show you how to prepare our signature dish, Rojak Bandung, guys. Stay tuned. So guys, this is how we prepare our signature Rojak Bandung. Tahu guys. Okay. Okay guys, next we are going to heat up the sotong kembang guys, cuttlefish. Guys, let's heat up the cuttlefish. Okay. Put in some kangkong, some bean sprout, and some bihun. So let's boil this guys. Once it's ready, we are going to plate it. So guys, it has boiled. So we are going to plate it now. Okay. Okay, we're gonna add our special. This is our heritage guys. We used to sell Rojak Bandung at Pasar Malam guys, especially during Ramadan. Finally, sprinkle of peanut.
Nanti dia datang.
There you go guys. This is our signature Rojak Bandung from Abang by Pondok Abang guys. Come down to our outlet to try it out for yourself. The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.